List interview questions along with detailed, beginner-friendly answers. 1. What is the role of a data analyst? A data analyst collects, processes, and performs statistical analyses on data to identify trends, insights, and actionable information. Their role includes cleaning and organizing raw data, using tools like Excel, SQL, or Python to analyze datasets, visualizing data using dashboards or charts, providing reports and recommendations to help decision making. 2. What are the steps of a typical data analysis process? The process usually involves 1. Understanding the objective, clarifying the business question or problem. 2. Data collection, gathering the required data from various sources. 3. Data cleaning, removing errors, duplicates, and inconsistencies. 4. Exploratory data analysis, either summarizing data to understand trends and patterns. 5. Analysis and modeling, using statistical techniques or algorithms to derive insights. 6. Visualization and reporting, presenting findings in charts, graphs, or dashboards. 3. What is data cleaning, and why is it important? Data cleaning is the process of fixing or removing incorrect, incomplete, or inconsistent data to ensure accuracy and reliability. It is important because clean data improves the quality of analysis. It reduces errors in decision making. It ensures compliance with data standards and regulations. Example: if a dataset has missing sales data for some months, the analysis would give misleading results unless corrected. 4. What is the difference between structured and unstructured data? Structured data, organized into rows and columns, e.g., Excel sheets, SQL databases. Unstructured data does not have a predefined format, e.g., images, videos, social media posts. Example: a customer table with names, emails, and phone numbers is structured, whereas customer reviews in text format are unstructured. 5. Explain the use of SQL in data analysis. SQL, structured query language, is used to interact with databases. It helps retrieve data with queries, e.g., select statement, filter, sort, and aggregate data. Join tables to combine data from multiple sources. Example query: select product underscore name, sum, sales, from sales underscore data, where year equals 2023. Group by product underscore name. This retrieves the total sales for each product in 2023. 6. What is the difference between a primary key and a foreign key? Primary key, a unique identifier for a row in a table. Foreign key, a column in one table that links to the primary key in another table to establish relationships. Example: in a customers table, customer underscore it could be a primary key, while in an orders table, customer underscore it could be a foreign key referencing customers. 7. What are the common data visualization tools used? Popular tools include Tableau, drag and drop functionality for creating dashboards. Power BI, integrates with Microsoft tools. Excel, basic charts and pivot tables. Python libraries, Matplotlib, Seaborn, for custom visualizations. Tip: focus on clear and simple visuals tailored to your audience. 8. What is the difference between a heat map and a histogram? Heat map displays data intensity using colors in a grid format, e.g., correlations between variables. Histogram shows the distribution of data, e.g., frequency of sales amounts. 9. What is a pivot table, and why is it useful? A pivot table is a data summarization tool in Excel or other platforms. It helps quickly calculate totals, averages, or percentages, organize data by categories, rows and columns, visualize trends and comparisons. Example: group sales by region and month to analyze trends. 10. What are outliers, and how do you handle them? Outliers are data points significantly different from others. Handling methods: remove them if they are errors or irrelevant. Cap them at a threshold to reduce their impact. Investigate to see if they provide unique insights.